Hello, my name is BumpC. Today, I'm going to talk about Chapter 5. Chapter 5 is Rational Function. Rational Function. Mr. Gunn, you brought your textbook. Open to page 303. Very good. Mr. Ivan, where is your textbook?
I didn't.
Mr. Ivan, why did you forget your textbook? Huh? Don't you know the textbook is very important?
I'm sorry.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Now!
I'm the calculator.
Alright, class. Now welcome to the math world. You know what time this is? This is BumpC time! Alright, class. I'm going to introduce you to the rational function. Why is this loading? Alright, I'm going to introduce you to the rational function. First of all, I give some credit to my precious student Ivan. Ivan, you get A plus for this PPT, alright? Okay. Now first of all, I'm going to talk about modern inverse and joint variation. So inverse variation is y divided by y equals a divided by x, and in this situation a is not 0 but it's a constant, so it's a constant of variation.
Mr. BumpC,
Yes,
what does constant mean?
so constant is a number that is always same. So for example, to be very simple, a constant can be a number such as 1 or 2. They can all be a constant. Do you understand? Mr. Ivan, answer me. Do you understand?
I'm sorry, I was not concentrating.
Oh my god, Ivan. Oh my god. That's why, because you're Ivan. Oh my god. So do you get it, Ivan?
Yes.
Okay. Now you're going to classify direct and inverse variation. So, first of all, we are going to look at an inverse variation. So it's y equals 9 divided by x. So in this situation, it's an inverse variation, because when we rewrite it, then it becomes a division of the constant and the x factor. So it's an inverse. And then it goes to y equals divided by y equals x plus 5. In this situation, it's neither inverse or direct, so it's like neither. It's a neither variation. And then it goes to y equals 7x. When we change the given equation at the left corner, then later it becomes a direct variation.
Wait. Mr. Bump,
Yes,
can
Gun.
I ask you again that y number b is neither?
So number b is neither a multiplication or division, but it's just a addition. So this is a neither variation. If it's a division, then it would be an inverse variation, and if it's a multiplication, then it would be direct variation. But because it's neither of those two, it's, as it says, neither. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, Mr. Gunn, very good attitude. Very good. Unlike Ivan, you ask question and you understand. Now, practice makes perfect for everybody. So, now we are going to look at these two variations. So, let's take a look. So, number A. Mr. Skylar, what kind of variation is this?
A is direct variation.
Very, very good. And then, Mr. Gunn, what is number B?
Is neither.
Neither. Neither.
Sorry. Inverse.
Cancer. My cancer.
Wait, is it direct?
Oh my god, Mr. Gunn. It's the inverse variation. Get it? The constant is divided by x. Alright?
Yeah.
Mr. Gunn, if you make this mistake one more time, I'm going to send you back to Pakistan, okay? Not laughing in the class. Not laughing.
Okay. Sorry.
Right. I hope you get a little bit more serious in my class. Now we're going to talk about joint variation. A joint of variation is a variation occurring when a quantity varies directly with the product of two or more other quantities. So let's look at example. So as I said, it's a product of two and or more quantity. So when we change into these explanatory forms, we disregard the constant, which is a, and then let's look at it. Z varies jointly with x and y. Under the one down, P equals AQRS. P varies jointly with Q, R, and S. Do you get it, class?
Yeah.
Very good. Now we are going to compare different types of variation. So, number A, Y varies inversely with X. That B, Z varies jointly with X, Y, and R. C, Z varies directly with Y and inversely with X. Alright, I see a mistake in this slide. Can anybody get what mistake it is?
Mr. BumpC,
Yes.
I think number A has a problem.
Number A. Oh my god, Ivan. Number A is a problem? You made this slide, Mr. Ivan. And you got it wrong. Mr. Skyler, what is the problem in this slide?
It's B.
Why is it?
No. There is no problem.
Mr. Ivan, Mr. Gunn, why are you taking this class? Huh? This class is $400 per.
You're the students.
It's $400 per hour, and your parents are paying for this class, and then you terribly suck at this class. Oh my god, my
Can
cancer.
you please focus on class?
Alright, Skylar, what is wrong with number B?
So it says Z varies jointly with X, Y, and R, but it's there's division.
Now you got it. Mr. Skylar is a very smart person. He'll go to a good university later on. So now we are going to look at simple rational functions. So the graph of the parent function fx is equals 1 divided by x is a hyperbola which consists of two symmetrical parts and they're called branches. And a function of the form gx equals a divided by x, which a is not a zero, at the same asymptote domain unrange as function fx equals 1 divided by x. Do you get it, class?
Mr. Dennis,
Yes.
what is an asymptote?
An asymptote. Mr. Ivan, we learned this last class. Oh my god. So, an asymptote is when a curve is a line and which it approaches zero and they tend to be an infinity. They never meet the zero, but infinitely they go in the same way, almost like a parallel, but they never meet the zero. Do you get it, Mr. Ivan?
Okay.
Very good. My neck. Now we're going to compare with the graph of y equals 1 divided by x. So let's graph a function like this. So graph the function of y equals 6 divided by x and compare the graph with y equals 1 divided by x. So now we will draw the solution and asymptote. But class, look at it. This is a very 90s way. We are living in 2015. We need to use the tools that we have in 2015. Ivan, did you bring a calculator?
Mr. BumpC,
Yes?
I have TI.
Oh my god! Oh my god, who uses TI? Are you from Texas? Are you President Bush? Huh? Oh my god.
I think
Everybody
someone
in this
will be
world
really
should
mad.
use Casio. Alright.
TI is better. Yay.
Oh my god, Mr. Skylar, what do you have?
Casio.
Ah, Mr. Skylar, you made my day. Mr. Skylar, how can we solve this with a TI? With a Casio?
You just type the graph.
Very, very good. So, in conclusion, if we just type the graph, we can see that y equals 6 divided by x lies further. So both graphs, however, lies in the first and third quadrant, and they still have and those two graphs in the first and the third quadrant, the same asymptote, the domain, and the range. They're all the same. Do you get it, class?
Yeah.